Okay, the robot is lost. I put it here on the other side and I press the button to go home. There is a button, but it's not working anymore. That means it's lost. And I think I have to put it back manually for this time. You see the blue light, that means it's supposed to go home. But he don't know where he is right now. So my boy is lost. This is how the next generation robots will ruin your life and everything. Anyways, today is another day, the second off day of my life, which I'm spending happily after. She is cooking right now, and when she is done cooking, we are going. We are going out again, and yesterday we bought the new AirPods 4. Today we will check how much they value her phone. She has the 13 Pro Max, so we try to exchange it with the 16 Pro Max. Let's see how much they tell us that they can give us for the new one and settle the old one. As you know, Filipino people, they cover their phones and cars and everything, even the houses, into wraps and everything. There is not a single scratch on the thing. Scratch. There is no scratch on the thing. And also, I have never seen that phone naked ever. So hopefully we get good money out of it by all the hard works and everything. Oh yeah, I can show you the phone also. Where is it? Did you throw it here? Yeah, see? So this phone here, there is a front cover, obviously. There is a back cover that's like, these have big bumps and everything. So these are the phones. Even this thing is almost new. So hopefully we get good money out of it. So she has to back it up. And the best part, I'll tell you about one thing I learned yesterday. Let me fix my tripod first. The best part is, few months back she says, I wanna buy a new headphones. What you think I will buy? I said, if you need good ones, like about compatibility, then you buy the Apple AirPods, the latest one, so you can use it like it is supposed to be used. She says, okay, we'll buy it. And then yesterday what? Why are you laughing? Ignore the mess on the bed, people, because it's just 2:15 in the afternoon. We just sitting here. Anyway, so I asked her yesterday, so you're using it, so you tell me how it is like this. And she says, I just put it in my ear and put it back. And then she saw somebody getting the volume up and low through the headphones. She's asking me, why mine doesn't do that? By the way, that's AirPod Pros 2. AirPod Pro 2. I gave you, I don't know if I gave you or you bought it, but it's 950 dirhams. I should have bought her this one. I'll show you this one. This is the AirPod Pros 2080 version. It's 10 dirhams or maybe 15 dirhams. Almost the same. You get it out, it's like this. And then you have this. So I should have bought her this one instead of buying the 950 dirham Pod Pros.
I don't care.
How to do the volume? She's like, what if, how do you, okay, the one thing that's most amazing is, can you press your headphones? How you press it? So if you have people around you and you like if you have a latest technology with a lot of features that you can use, don't think that other people do the same thing in their life. She has no use of this iPhone. It's just call and message.
And social media.
What social media? Facebook. Up and down. And then I get her the headphones as well. I'm like, okay, she will like it. And you know, I'm also using the headphones with TV. She don't care about that as well. I use it with my laptop as well. That's why I got the 4 ones. And she's like, okay. I never knew.
Okay.
Oh my god. There is some other person, someone else was asking me. Yeah, yesterday you were asking me. This movie box, there is an app, okay? So this app gives you access to unlimited movies and everything. It's pre-downloaded and also it's you can stream. Now I spend, you guys don't know how much I spend on these things, but I'll tell you the small thing. I spend on these speakers and all this setup and the TV and everything. It's like more than 10,000 dirham. She goes back and tries to stream through the phone on the TV from the movie box that has the worst quality of the movie and the audio.
I asked you to download, to look for that things that I wanna watch, but you don't
This
do it.
is the top of the lines home theater system with the TV. Oh my god, I even bought the subscription for Disney. That's something, I don't know how much. Then I have OSN for a whole year. It's a one time payment. It's just 200 something.
So
There was a
if-
promotion.
Oh, then
We have Netflix. Netflix gives you almost HDR and almost Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision. Both.
Thank you for telling everyone that.
And Disney is
So-
doing 5.1.
If you get
OSN is
broke,
doing-
it's not me.
OSN is doing some of the movies
You are
5.1 because I have this kind of weird version. But she goes out and ruins my whole day. It's a lot of money. I just want to move somewhere alone. So I will only watch through this. Also, I gave her another option. I don't know how you consider that option, but that's Plex. You can get Plex on your computer and stream through your computer onto your TV with Dolby Atmos. And at the end of the day, what we get is Movie Box, free version of movies, 2.1, not even 1080p. I should have not moved in this house at the very first place. And I should have not bought these things. I'm worried about people's brains. And on the one hand, you can use the technology very good with all this and everything you have. Like if you have access to these things,
That's why you're there.
it's the best part. On the other hand, we have people like this. They don't care how much you spend. And as long as there is a picture and there is some sound coming from somewhere, you
Boy,
understand.
I appreciate naman the sa home theater.
Appreciate when I play something when I know it is good, I play it, then you like, whoa, it's good. But otherwise, you're watching 2.1, sometime 1.1, there is sound coming from somewhere, one speaker, and you are good to go with that.
Yeah.
So keep all these in your mind. If you have people around you, they don't know anything about technology, huh? Hopefully.
I can't,
Wish me luck for today.
I can't even upgrade my Google.
Uh, and she goes, why can't I open my notes? Because the space is full. The Google is telling you to buy something. And last week I'm trying to put an extension on this side. It's like you are my mother or something. I tell you, I complain in front of you people about these things because it's a brain damage for you. If you are alone and getting tortured. Every time you try to up something, you up your game and some non-technical person shows
Now
up
you're gay.
and they down your game back to 1960s. So I'm trying to get an extension here because she has 4 fans, like only 4 fans in the house on one place. So this one is Dyson.
Lang naman.
There is a Black & Decker small black one. There is one wireless USB-C, and then there is another one that's handheld, and then you have the air purifier over there. So these all things need plugs, and if you put it back where it belongs to, or when you have space, let's say you have space on this side, you're trying to put it here, the wires are small, so you need an extension. Then the guy goes out, tries to fix it, hide the wires because there are cats in the house, and the guy puts in this small clip he bought from Temu 5 months ago in hopes to put it next to this, that will look good. And he does that, this chapy thing, this sticky thing for the extension, you put it on the walls and everywhere, you know, the bracket. Anyways, I fix everything. I try to put the extension on and she says, why? I said, just wait. Why? I said, just give me 2 minutes, I'll fix it. Why? I said, I'll put this here. Why? He says, why? Then again, why? I'll do it. Why? Let me do it. Why? Oh my God.
How about my life? Let's tell the story of my story.
I'm asking you because I'm being nice to you. Otherwise, I know what to do, when to do, how to do.
You're such a liar.
Okay, we are here. We're gonna enter from this side. Hopefully, they accept the phone because the phone is also from Do. It's not from Apple actually. Okay, so the Apple one, how much they said?
12.75.
1275 they are giving back, and then you can add up 38 or something to get the new one. The problem, we walked into Etisalat, the guy looked at me, checked my number. So I have two connection right now, SIM cards. One is Do, one is Etisalat. Do is 200 something, 300 something. That's the package, the good package. But Etisalat is 50 dirham per day, or per month, sorry. So the guy looked at my details and he had only one last phone, 512 something. He said it's reserved for somebody, but the other guy told me they have it. Now when he looked at 50 dirham package, he knew that this poor guy is here, he don't have money to pay, so he will just buy the installment ones. That's what he's gonna do. So he said it's booked for somebody else. I said okay, I just walked out. We'll get to eat something, but the thing is, no, I'm looking for, I saw this video, somebody in Pakistan making this big bowl of fries, loaded fries. There is so many things in it. I'm looking for the same thing, but I can't find here nowhere.
The sauces, maybe they have a chili one that you like.
I'm tired of this sales everywhere. Look at this. It's just 30 dirham, 2 boxes. We had a long argument yesterday going back from here all the way home that why you have to buy this. The next day we are back in the same shop and we have more than last day. 4 of these boxes, 4 of these and 2 of these. How am I gonna survive this all? I don't know. My cameraman is a little slow, guys.
I'm not slow.
Please bear. This is the new iPhone. As I said before, I apologize to the people who watch me. Like, people get into line to buy the same thing every year, and yet these people are selling us. These people are selling us the same thing. I went back and did the same thing today. Apologize. This is the human nature. So this is my new iPhone.
That's the old. That's the 13 box. You don't even know what teacher gave you?
Apologize, people. I'm just too. So this is the new iPhone 16 Pro Max.
How many gig? How many?
Oh, you don't
What's the
supposed to
memory?
show the series and everything. This 256 only. They said the screen is bigger, so I'm not sure. Let's open this and let's get into the delusional life of Apple product people
With the audience?
with the audience. Once here, Oreo, you like this? Yeah? You think it's worth 50-100 dirham? Huh? Let me know. Yeah, he said okay. So as you know, guys, it comes with a box. It is the titanium.
It's black.
It's the titanium black. They say titanium black. And after opening this, I regret buying it already first few seconds because it's not even black. I like
No,
the black.
they just said iPhone, they only have black. You said yes.
Yeah, but I don't.
They didn't say titanium. They said they have black.
Ah,
You
it
said
comes
yes.
with the wire also. Oh, congratulations.
That's why she said congratulations.
This is the congratulation meaning.
Because you don't need, because the 15 doesn't have a wire, right?
I don't
charger.
know. I don't know. I don't care about these small things, you know. As of this time, you know. Talaga. They introduced this last year, maybe. Ah, yeah, last year. Oi, Boboka. You know how much is it? Just
He
wasted
doesn't care.
5100 for you. So I can post you people clear and loud. What else is in there? This is this iPhone band-aid to put it on your heart after you spend 5100. My God.
Your kidney.
It goes on the kidney, right and left. I've just sold both. Alive because of this little kid. She is here and that's why I'm here. Oh, my love is in pain. Oh, send somebody. Send a guy for her, please. Somebody. She needs a boyfriend. Quick
She
as
needs to
possible.
go to the doctor.
She needs a boyfriend, no doctor.
No, no
Only
more cats,
boyfriend.
no more pregnant.
Why they have a hole in the box
Only
for
me
the
should be
camera?
the
What is
pregnant.
this bullshit? You're telling me that you have that big of a camera that you need a hole in the box as well? Quit playing, Apple.
And then, where's the phone?
Oh, here's the phone. Almost forgot about it. I'm talking about the box. Here it is. Leave it. It's fucking
Open.
useless. Open what?
Turn it
Okay,
on.
give me the thing. I'll open.
Turn it on.
Oh, okay. You mean turn it on? Oh my God, my love. I know your English is your second language, just like me.
Sige na.
We both make
Ching-chang-ching.
mistakes.
Is it working?
Oh, it's fake. Huawei.
Nokia.
That's Nokia. Uh-oh. Wait, maybe it's not working properly. Oh. Ah. Here is the thing, boys and girls. I have to get. Oh, I just put the cover on it because I know you take care of your phones. So I rock it without any covers. She's asking me covers or something. I said no covers. Anyways, so last year these motherfuckers show up on the TV and they say, we added a button here so you guys can just press and it goes on and off of a ringer. And this year these motherfuckers shows up again and they say, we added another button so you can make quick videos.
Amazing.
Guess what? I'm at Apple store buying this bullshit phone again. No, the original reason is she wants to give her to her brother. Now here comes Pakistan in this picture. I want to send this to Pakistan, let's say. This is my old phone. You pay over 100,000 Pakistani rupees to get this thing registered in there to use it. And my brother, unfortunately, don't have cash to pay this. So I will skip this. I'll give it to her and her phone goes to her brother. And these new, or not new, but the second and the third siblings, they have it so easily. I just wish I was born third and my parents had something before me and they went
You're the first
overseas.
mistake.
And my brother or sister went overseas. He bought the new things and I'm sitting at home sleeping or doing whatever I do, and then they are like, I had a call from overseas. Yo, you want a new phone? What do you mean new phone? I have 13 Pro Max. I'll give it to you.
Number one.
Thanks, mom. It's like that. Oh
So you
my
don't
God.
want me to give it to Tonton?
Of course you give it to Tonton. He doesn't deserve it actually, but you can give it to him.
Why he didn't deserve
Nobody deserves these things for free.
it?
Actually, in our
I'll sell it to
countries,
him.
you are also a third world country. Don't act like you guys are rich. We will have a long discussion on this if you
We're
keep
not
on doing
acting
this.
rich, but that's how we treat our family.
Okay, appearance, they say. My appearance, Pakistani.
Ikaw kasi, bobo kayo.
Bring the other device closer to
Closer.
this. Set up new iPhone. This is it for today. Happy birthday to you, whoever you are,
Where's my phone?
and if it's your birthday. Always learn new things.